What I think needs to be done is to actually focus more on the urban social, that is on people and on people's interaction, rather than on built spaces and on sort of physical infrastructure, engineering, construction, etc. Because basically and historically, cities have always been about people, have been about a sort of enhanced and diverse interaction of people. That's really what we know that historically has created cities, about people coming together, diverse kinds of people living in smaller spaces, cheek by jowl, an intense cultural interaction, the way people learn from each other through living in cities, the way politics gets created in cities, the way that new kinds of social kinds of dreams are created, opportunities created, people move, there's a lot of mobility. These are the things that cities are about. But I think increasingly now, particularly in India, we are sort of blinkered into looking at sanitized, engineered spaces as our dream of cities. We clean out the urban spaces of anything that resembles, livelihoods, people working, people selling, people earning a living out on the streets. We want to clean it out of people who are poor, who don't look all sort of like the mall folk. And once we clean it out of this kind of people, then it becomes very sort of the diversity is lost. Two, the kind of dynamism that makes a city something that is taking people from one kind of economic, social, cultural identity to another, sort of mobility that is what cities are all about, is lost. So increasingly, when I see kind of the big posters of what people think cities should be, there is this kind of sanitized lawns and trees in a row and some kind of beautiful buildings and just one kind of the nice smelling people who are there. And I think that this is would be a great tragedy. This is not what cities are about. This is some kind of suburban, artificial space that I think we now think of as the city, and we will lose, I think, all the potential, both the potential of economic growth, which is really, in truth, in Indian cities, it is from the informal sector that the huge amount of economic growth is happening. And if we lose sight of that, and we try and send away the informal sector into kind of marginal spaces of the city, then that's going to kill our cities, really. They've seen this in most Western countries where, the vibrant downtowns, which were full of street people, street culture, street vending, etc., were cleaned out, and they found that those downtowns died. And here, I think in India, one of the things that's really missing in terms of building a better city is consultation, democratic consultation with people. We don't have an urban democracy to speak of. We don't have urban, vibrant local urban councils to speak of. Nobody who knows in the city who is their councillor, who is their official, where should they go for any kind of problem, how do they get their voices heard if they want something improved in their neighborhood, how do they get together with their neighbors, and what do they do? People don't really know this. I mean, there's sort of helplessness about urban inhabitants just being consumers. And I think if these things don't improve, we are never going to have better cities. This is what I think.